An update tonight on Ameris Bank, which has agreed to provide millions of dollars to help people buy or maintain homes in areas of Jacksonville that are majority black or Hispanic. A judge just signed off on this agreement.
It's a $9 million deal with the U.S. Department of Justice over allegations the bank discriminated against those populations when it came to mortgage lending, which the bank denies. News for Jax reporter Ann Maxwell explains when and how people can take advantage of those funds, and why the DOJ says Ameris discriminated against potential borrowers.
Joy, the DOJ's argument is kind of represented by Ameris' presence here on the South Bank. They've got this big, tall building behind me. The DOJ says just about all of their branches here in Northeast Florida are located south of where I am in predominantly white areas. Meanwhile, the DOJ says Ameris' one branch downtown, just across the river here, was closed in 2019. They say this is denying people who live on the north side of the river equal access to credit.
Ameris Bank is denying wrongdoing, but agrees to spend millions to support home ownership for Duval County residents, specifically in the red and orange areas of this map, where the population is mostly black and Hispanic. The bank has agreed to invest at least $7.5 million for home loans in this area, for mortgages, home improvements, and refinancing. This comes amid allegations they served predominantly white areas of Northeast Florida, while closing branches in areas where the minority population was higher. People we talked to downtown Thursday told us they aren't familiar with Ameris Bank. Have you heard of them, or?
No, I really haven't.
Jacksonville resident Keefanon Gerald says he believes the allegations.
That's the way America is.
According to the National Association of Realtors, about 73% of white households own homes, compared to about 51% of Hispanic Americans and 44% of black Americans. Lending discrimination is known as redlining. The Department of Justice says it was institutionalized by the federal government during the New Deal era and was implemented by private lenders then and now, continuing to deprive communities of color of the principal means of building wealth: home ownership.
They billionaires, the banks, and they got way more money to invest in the black community.
The money from Ameris can be used for several things, including direct grants for down payments and closing costs. The maximum people can receive per loan is $20,000. To Gerald, the scope is too small. You feel like it's just not enough?
Not enough at all.
Ameris strongly disagrees with any allegations of discrimination, with their CEO saying, "We cooperated fully with the department's inquiry and have entered into this settlement to avoid the distraction of litigation, and because we share the department's goal of expanding access to home ownership in underserved areas."
Under the agreement, Ameris is also investing about $1.5 million into things like outreach and advertising to expand credit lending in those areas. And we reached out to Ameris today to see how and when people can start accessing that $7.5 million fund. They said because this was just implemented, they are working out those details now. We'll be sure to let you know once they get that figured out. Reporting live from the South Bank, Ann Maxwell, Channel 4, the local station.